Hey, I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine TV. I'm often asked, what's the #1 tip that I could give someone to help take care of their paint and make it look as best as it can? And that's clay barring. And I know that that sounds unfamiliar to some of you, and it may sound strange. And the first time I heard it a long time ago, I felt the same thing. But let me ask you this. Even after you properly wash your car, when you go like this, do you feel gritty? Do you hear noise? Well, congratulations, your paint's not clean. It may be washed, but it's not really clean. And what I mean by that is there are contaminants stuck to the paint, kind of embedded into it. And those can be from tree sap, pollen that gets dried in, road film, dirt, all kinds of stuff. Just think of all the things that your car can be exposed to as you're cruising around. Well, it's easy to take care of, and you shouldn't be afraid. Modern technology has made this really easy. All you need is something like our Intense Shine and Protect ceramic waterless car wash. It has lubrication in it that not only cleans the paint safely, but you can clay bar with it, which means it'll be the lubricant. You can't just rub clay on paint, you'll scratch it. You have to have a lubrication. This is what you can use for that. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this, right? Old school, I'm going to try to get this clay out, is you use an actual piece of clay, like this, right? Get this up close for you. As you can see, it's clay. You mold it into a little bitty patty right there, right? So it fits in your hand, and you rub that on the paint with some lubrication. But it's 2026. They come up with new technology. Now, you can get this in different forms. Now, I like this one because it's shaped good, holds in your hand really well. And you can even use our vehicle wash as a lubricant. After you properly wash your car, you can use this to clay bar your car really fast using the vehicle wash and water as a lubricant. Now, there are some benefits here. The benefit to this is it's faster. I think it does equally a good job. But if I drop this, right, I can go wash this off. Because if a rock or something gets stuck, you don't want to scratch your paint, right? You can wash this off. You can even spray it, wipe it with a towel, and you're good. If I drop this, it's got to be thrown in the trash. You are cooked. That's it. You don't ever want to take a chance because I guarantee you something's stuck in there. So, the process is pretty simple. We've already cleaned this car. We're going to go ahead and we're going to spray the lubricant on, the Intense Shine and Protect. We're going to spray some on our patty of clay here. And what I like to do is I'm going to rub with the grain of the car or the way the wind goes over it. And it's simply back and forth motions, just like that. All right? Pretty simple. And what you're going to find is it starts out hard, which what I mean by that is it doesn't want to go and glide across the paint very well. But as you do this, it gets very slick. And you'll be able to see there's dirt and the contaminants in there. And of course, you just fold those in, reform your patty, and you're good. Now, you're going to just wipe that off. And then when you feel that, you're actually going to be shocked how smooth that is. I mean, it's incredibly smooth, like glass. What that means is you'll use less product. It'll stay clean longer. It'll clean up easier. Dust won't stick to it. Now, let's show you the same operation with the synthetic clay. We're going to go ahead and put some lubricant on there. We're going to spray some on here. And it's exactly the same motion, just back and forth. I can feel, even though this car was probably, I think I did this in the fall. It sat in the garage over the winter. It's been driven several times this spring. So, of course, it's already got some on there. Can you do this too often? I don't think you can do it often enough. If you did it once a month, your car will thank you for it. So will your paint. Then you go ahead and you wipe that off. And then you would just move on. Let's get it dry good. You just move on to another panel and you're all set. So there's your two options. You can get this in this shape, you can get it in a clay mitt. There's all different things you can get. All works well. The secret is though, making sure whatever detailer that you use says it can be a lubricant for clay barring. Because if not, you don't want to use it because you don't want to introduce any scratches to your car. There you have it. You do this, you think you freshly waxed it. And that's even before applying wax. It'll look so good. Your car will thank you, and you'll be the envy of all the other people at the car show.